Wanted to show you a special hair dryer. It's $159 on Amazon. It's Panasonic. It's a special dryer, but this one is all in Chinese writing. But I'm going to give you some detailed information below. And in China, you're only allowed to buy one of these. Let me look at the website so I can read you. This is a Panasonic hairdryer Nano Care Pink EH-NA97-P from Panasonic. It's Prime, same day delivery, $159.75. Hot and cold rhythm mode, intelligent warm air mode, scalp mode, skin mode. I'm going to copy the product details down below this video. It's not a cheap blow dryer. It's very expensive, but you know, it has turbo, dry, set, off. It can go like doing all that, but it hot, cold, scalp, skin, nano. If you can see all this, you can do all this. Oh, sorry, it doesn't fit. You have these buttons for all these special needs for your hair. Hot, cold, scalp, skin. So you just press this button. So it's very special. It's very expensive, but I'm going to be reviewing it and trying it, and I will let you guys know how I like this baby. And it comes with the regular US adapter. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great Memorial Day weekend.